Hello, namaste everyone. So, guys, this reading is for 2025, and we will be seeing how will be your next year. Now, these are three cards, and you can select the card which is attracting you the most, and we will see the theme behind it, and also some oracle messages, some tarot messages. What are we getting with respect to the same? Now, guys, anything can come in your reading. It can be with respect to your health, your materialistic life, your career, your love life, anything, or maybe some situation what you're going through and what you have to do. So I'm giving you few more seconds. Do select which card is attracting you the most, and we will be meeting in the reading. So I'm waiting for few more seconds, and then I will start with the reading. Hi guys, so this is card number one, the moon. And with the moon card, this usually shows about intuitions, emotions, something that is hidden, something that you are hiding, something that is still there in your mind, in your subconscious mind, everything. So this is the theme of the first pile, and first of all, let's try to check out. Let's see what you need to do, what you need not do. Come on, let's see. So I am taking these four messages. The first message that came out: be grateful. See, guys, whatever you're going through, and literally that particular thing can be the worst actually, but you should be grateful that your life is not like that. So be grateful with what you have. That's the thing. This is what's been said. Second message: time to let go. So, whatever is the situation, you have been asked to move on, guys. Move on. See, guys, the third message. So, guys, you need to work on your thoughts, your overall perspective, or whatever it is, guys. Your thinking. Now, this can be with respect to your job, this can be with respect to the people around you, or so, or else better distance yourself from that particular thing. Yes, guys, stop blaming others. This is a weak point of a lot of them, that they will still keep on focusing other people, but they won't see their mistake anywhere. I don't know, I'm getting attracted towards see more cards, guys. Okay. Yeah, the time is not right for whatever you are thinking, so have patience. You need to laugh, guys. Yes, it's life, and in life there are always ups and downs. So, guys, you cannot be always serious in life. So, laugh, enjoy life. This is what has been said. Taking just two more cards, and then we'll shift to the tarot. Okay, so you need to pretend in a particular way. Just keep doing it. That's right. Yes, guys. So let's see what tarot is trying to give us the message. So, guys, our spread is out. Let's see what cards come up, and you need not worry while explaining. I will show you the cards, guys. So, some cards have came out already, and yeah, we will be starting with the reading. I will show you the cards while explaining. You need not worry about it, guys. So, this is the first card, guys. And guys, this card clearly says that you will be coming through some sort of offer or something like that. Now, this can be in any area of life, so be open minded about it. And this particular opportunity, this particular offer will be such that you will be taking action on it. It will be action oriented thing, not just you will be keeping on thinking and wondering what to do, what not to do. Remember one thing, you are the magician of your life, and you have that each and everything, those skills within you, that you can manifest a life that you desire, that you wish to have. Just have faith in yourself, just recognize yourself. This is what I would say with this card, guys. See, guys, there will be renewal in your life, there will be differences, but you need to listen to yourself. Your inner self, your inner thing is telling you something, it's giving you a call. Please, I would say that acknowledge it. Try to know what it is trying to tell you. Only then there will be certain decisions made. A lot of major arcana cards have came in your reading, so obviously something will is that will be up, that is about to happen, or that will happen, is written in your stars. So please be assured about it that you do the right thing. I see a lot of happiness, positivity in your life in this year. But this will happen only when you will do certain things, not just please, like you're just rest assured, you're not doing anything, you're not working on yourself, you're not healing yourself, and if you're considering that your life will become such positive, then please do not expect so. But you also need to do few things, that is acknowledge what your inner self is trying to tell you. Work on yourself, manifest it, recognize yourself. Only then your life will change. You will get some clarity, some victories, certain truths may come out that you were looking for. This is what I see. See, again, one thing, your inner voice is trying to tell you something, but you're ignoring it, maybe. That is why this renewal and high priestess, two of the cards that came together, which almost show that you need to listen to yourself, to your gut feeling, to your intuition, to your inner self. That's the thing. Something which is hidden, or something which you didn't knew that's been hidden from you, may also come out this year. You may get clarity of few things what you were looking for. This is what I feel. That's the thing. Be firm on your decisions. Be firm what you are deciding in your life. Do not keep on changing. This is what I would say, because you may face obstacles. People around may won't like it, but you have to be firm on what decisions you're making and taking. Wish fulfillment card, guys. Very positive card. Claim this energy. So only when you will be firm, you will work on yourself, you will acknowledge few things, what your inner calling is trying to tell you, where it is trying to tell you to go or to take action. Only then your wishes will be fulfilled, guys. This is what I see here. But I would say, please don't become overconfident. Please, no. Because as you can see here, yeah, it's a wish fulfillment card. but still, please don't be overconfident, because this can be a temporary phase for you all. You may also get public recognition. You may also win in some sort of thing. And with this card, I would like to say one more thing, that there are people around you who are there to support you, to understand you. Please take their help. This is what I would say, guys. Just don't rely on yourself. Try to make others who are your people to understand. Try them, make them understand what you exactly looking for, what you seek. They will surely help you. Please do not overburden yourself. This is what I would say, because you are almost coming to an line of completion of what you were doing from these many years. You just need to work on yourself. You need to acknowledge yourself. You need, because you are your first priority. And please, I would say over here that do whatever you're doing, whatever work you're doing, do what is, and just whatever you can do, only that. Please do not do some extra work or something like that, because it can be over exhausting, over stressing. So please avoid this thing. This is what I would say. Slowly and gradually, yes, I do see your wishes coming, fulfilling, but it will take time. And collaboration, teamwork needed. This is what I say, as this card also said the same thing. So that's the thing, guys, that in some things you also need to understand what others are trying to tell, what are their views and everything. That's the thing. You need not change your decisions for that, but try to understand what they mean, what they want to tell, what they wish. This is what I would say. Let's see some more. Okay. Yes, guys, you need to be very firm. You need to become headstrong. Please don't become emotional. If someone is trying to tell you, then don't become emotional and try to change your decision. Become headstrong and take action. This is what I would say. And be firm on it, whatever you are doing about it. See, only then you will get the justice. And this justice can be, yes, according to what you deserve. This justice can be what is there in your karma, according to that. But you need to work on yourself for that, guys. If it's a money thing or anything, invest very carefully, properly. Do study wherever you're trying to invest, wherever you're trying to, look for, or whatever it can be, but do it very carefully, properly. This is what I would say. And make the utmost use of your knowledge, of your experience. This is what I would say with this card, guys. Yes, guys, some emotional fulfillment offer also coming to you. So be rest assured about it. But again, one more thing, guys, I would like to tell, that these all things will happen only when you will work on yourself. See, wishes getting fulfilled. But with this card, I would also say, please don't stay very much focused. When will my wish come true? When will my wish come true? Divert yourself, and then you see the miracles that will come in your life. You're taking this, both the cards. Be caring, nurturing, be practical, and very good energy, that you may come in this energy. Stay down to earth. This is what I would say. Avoid taking hasty decisions, fast decisions. Please avoid it. Let's see what messages are you getting from Oracle. Okay. So this is the first message which says connect to the pearls of Mother Earth. She will guide you through this time of change. Yeah. You can meditate by sitting on floor, by sitting in the grass. Obviously, lie like keep something, some yoga mat or something, and only then you can sit in the grass or also on the floor if you're sitting outside also. And yes, stay grounded. That will really help you a lot because you are connected. You get connected to the Mother Earth. Live your truth and share the love that is in your soul. Yes, guys, don't just keep it to yourself. This is what I would say. And yes, we did get some cards, right? One more card I'm taking. Again, something related to love that connect to the blue flame, which is the light of pure love within you. So guys, this was the reading for pile 1. Let's meet now for pile 2. Till then, thank you. Hello, pile 2, and this is the second card, that is the Emperor. And the theme of your card is take the charge of your life. Do not let others take and make decisions of your life. This is the theme of your reading. Okay, also this shows a masculine energy, so some of you need to come in your masculine energy. You need to work on yourself now. Even if there are some girls and ladies listening to this, yes, you need to work on your masculine energy. Each and every one of us do have these energies, feminine and masculine energies. Feminine energies are those which are very, caring, nurturing, emotional, loving, whereas masculine energy is very logical, practical, action oriented. So some of you need to come in this energy. Now, first of all, let's see what message are we getting from this particular oracle, like what you need to do, what you need to let go or move on from what. Let's see. So this is the first card. So someone has broken your heart, and this is the message you're getting, and what's behind. Yeah, just let them go. Just literally live it, and don't take it accordingly to this message. A special warning for this. Guys, please don't force on something. And what's the message? Let's see. Yeah, whatever it is, guys, let it come it to you naturally. Don't force it. Because if you force and later on you may regret, oh my god, like what I have done, and also let it come it naturally towards you, whatever it is. Ego is very bad for everyone, but very few understand that. So this is what the message you're getting. Please work on it. Please be aware of it, guys. So guys, maybe you're going through something and your sleep has been disturbed, and hence you are getting this message. You're tired, guys. Yes, guys, please take rest. So now let's see from tarot what readings are we getting. So the spread is here, guys, and I'm taking out cards in front of you. You need not worry, guys. I will be showing the cards during the explanation. So for now, there are some cards that I have picked up. Let's see what they're telling. So the very first card itself is a very, very positive card. Now I would say, guys, do not go in on the gender, but if you are a lady who is trying to conceive, and if you weren't been successful, then yes, there are chances that you may become successful this year. Also, you may get married, who the ones who are about to get married, who are looking for someone. That's the thing. Also, this card is of abundance, so many of you might be attracting abundance. And let me tell you one thing, this abundance can be in any area of life. Be open minded about it. Be caring, nurturing, loving. This is what I would say with this card, guys. And you need to take charge of your life. And here you can see the emperor, and here the empress. So you know, I'm getting a message like king and queen. So are you getting it? So you also need to take the charge of your life, and only then I guess you will, if you're looking for someone, you will meet that person, that special one. Yeah, that is your emperor. This is what I would like to say with this card. Yes, you are coming in the energy, or you need to come in the energy of this Queen of Pentacles, who is very practical, who is nurturing, caring, at the same time, very much, grounded, down to earth. This is what I would say with this card. You need to come in this energy, work on it, guys. Again, I would say, please do not go on the gender. If you are a male watching this video, I would like to say that you need to work on your feminine side. That is why these both these cards have came up for you. That's the thing, because you might be very much, logical, practical, but you also need to be emotional, even if you're a man, right? So you need to work on it. And girls, ladies who are watching this video, you need to come in this energy. Okay, if you are facing issues getting a job or something, do something of yours, of your own. Everyone has some or the other skills. Work on it. Make that thing perfect, and do work on that. I do see some sort of offer coming towards you. Know, this offer can be in any area of life. Be open minded about it. And this offer is a lot action oriented. This is also, I see that you will be taking action. You won't be just keeping on wondering or so. Yes, and this particular offer, this thing will make you very much passionate, very much excited to move ahead, move forward. But next card, before doing anything, you need to go within yourself, and you need to see really what are your views, what are your likes, your dislikes, everything. And what do you exactly seek from life, what do you want exactly from that particular thing, that particular offer. What do you want from yourself? Please look into it. This is what I would say. For that, you need to isolate yourself. I would also suggest, if possible, please go somewhere outside. Spend little time alone and contemplate on yourself. This is what I would say. After that, only once you are sure, only after that, you need to be action oriented, guys. This is what I would say. This is a very fiery energy, and she's queen of wands. So you need to be action oriented about it. Don't just keep on wondering. Once you are firm, once you know what you want to do, once you are sure what are your likes, what you want, take action accordingly. This is what I would say. But please do not overstress yourself. Do work, but work according to your stamina, according to what your body is telling you, supporting you. Do not overstress yourself, it will affect your health. Reason, because you are almost on the line of completion of whatever you were doing from those many years, whatever efforts you were taking, that is about to complete. You will be winning, guys. You are about to win. So please do not overstress yourself, and see this card of victory, success, enlightenment, card of happiness, card of full positivity. Very, very positive card. I would like to tell that, claim this energy. So that is why I said that do not overstress yourself, and this will happen only when you will work on yourself. Please don't be, dependent. Oh my god, a very good card for this year, so chalo kuch bhi ho jayega, whatever will happen, even if I don't take any efforts, I don't work on myself, everything will be good. No, you need to work on yourself. Let me take one more card. Put down your ego, very bad for your health, for your overall life, to move forward in your life. Put it down, guys, put it down. It's pulling you back, it's limiting you somewhere. This is what I would say. So please put down your ego. Let me see if any other message I am getting. Okay. So guys, some things are there in life that which we cannot control, which we cannot, you know do make according to what we wish for. Please surrender it to the universe. Whatever work you are doing, please surrender it to the universe. Do not wait, keep on waiting for results this way. What should I do, what should I not? No, baba, do work on yourself, but move forward in life. Don't just keep being stuck over there. Okay, this is your phase of awakening, so please keep it in mind. Okay. Taking. Yeah. So this very card here, you need to work on your emotions. Listen to your intuition, listen to your inner voice. Work on your emotions. Maybe they are imbalanced or they get imbalanced very soon. So please work on it. This is very much a big message for you. This is what I see, guys. And I would like to say that you need to have balance with respect to your emotions, but also be passionate, also be, compassionate with others, with respect to others. Do not stop loving others, giving your love to others, caring for others. So please have that balance within you. Let's see what messages are we getting from this particular oracle deck. Your first message: see your light, know your power, have the courage to walk your truth. Yeah. Please do not run away from what you know, because at last, truth is a truth that cannot be changed. Have that acceptance. As I said you with this card, guys, some things cannot be changed, some things cannot happen according to us. We need to surrender it. Wisdom: see your adversaries as opportunities to expand your spiritual light. So here you have been advised to go towards spirituality in some or the other way. This is what I see. Also with the awakening card, I felt the card that I showed you here. Let's take two more cards. Vibration. Your vibration has been raised to higher levels. You are connected to cosmic intelligence. Yes, universe is getting connected towards you. So be rest assured, but work on yourself about it. Universe is taking full care of yourself. Universe has your back. Remember that. Vision. Trust in your ability to create the vision in your soul. Yes, guys. This will only happen when you will work on yourself, guys. So this was the reading for pile number 2. Now let's move towards pile number 3. Till then, thank you so much. Hello, pile number 3. So this is your reading, and the card is very much positive card. Now here I'm getting a vibe of yoga, so maybe you have been advised to practice yoga Another thing that I see is full positivity, happiness, clarity, truth, victory, your inner child healing a lot and lots of positivity. So do claim this energy, I would say. Now let's see from this oracle deck, rebel oracle deck, what messages are we getting, what you need to do, what you need to let go, move on, what you did not do. Let's see. Okay. Your first message is, so something is, so guys, some situation is about to arise, guys, and yeah, the ones who are there with you, who are there, your supporters, please make them ready. So this can be a warning with respect to something. This is what I see, guys. Let's see another card. Okay. Stop obsessing. You are, yes, guys, please stop obsessing over whatever you are doing so immediately. This is what I would say. Okay, very straightforward message. Yes, guys, you need to work on yourself. Please clean yourself, clean your energies, your overall thoughts. So, guys, now let's see from tarot what readings come up for you. Let's see. The spread is ready and I am picking up the cards in front of you. You need not worry. I will be showing the cards while explaining. So for now, I am taking only these cards. And if I fail so, I will take another other cards also. So the very first card that I'm getting is, maybe you're going through some sort of conflicts, disagreements or something. Guys, with this card, I would really like to say, be it you, be it the opposite people or that person, you need to understand that why their views are such, what they want to tell. Even they, it is their responsibility to understand you. So the very much first card I'm getting this, but everything you can get under your control, because you are the magician of your life, guys. You are the magician of your life. Please try to recognize yourself. You have each and everything. You have that experience, you have that knowledge, you have those skills that you can, you know, convince anyone, you can manifest it. This is what I see. But somewhere you're lacking, so please work on it. Your concentration, your focus, this is what I feel over here. So please work on it. Do look into the mirror, I would say, guys. You will understand you are unique, you are special. Only then I see some changes happening in your life. And I would say that do not try to stop those changes, or not trying to accept it. You need to, it will happen. This is a major arcana card and this will happen. This is written in your stars. But only when you will work on yourself, only when you will try to manifest it, only when you will take the charge in your hand, only then, and only then I see you getting justice. So what you will be seeding, that you will be generating. Keep it in mind. Whatever, or else whatever you are going through, or else whatever you will go through after this, that will be your karma, that can be your karma, right? So be very mindful. Whatever you are sowing, what that will be, you will be getting that thing in return. Be very mindful about it. I see you enjoying, celebrating good time with your friends, family, your special person, whatever. So I guess this justice can be in your favor also. That is why I see you celebrating this way, or else you have been advised to share your piece of happiness with others. This is what I would say. Guys, whatever it is, whatever it is, guys, you need to be very frank. You need to be very pretty, open up to whatever are your decisions, whatever are your likes, dislikes, whatever you want from yourself, from this life, right? Be little open up towards it. This is what I would say. Now this can be with respect to your love life also, and you need to be so firm over here. This angel I can see blessing you, so be assured about it. But also you have to make efforts from your side, only then this higher sources will bless you. This is what I'm getting over here. Let's see what else come up for you. Okay, so you may get some options, or else you are having options. You may not understand what to do, what not to do, but here with this earth, this globe in this person's hand, I would say, guys, uh, do a deep study about it, whatever it is. Don't just look for the surface level. Oh my god, like what uh, what an opportunities, this is so good and all everything. No guys, don't do that. Do not take any sort of risk. This is what I would say. Do a deep study, invest properly, and if you're looking for any opportunity, now this can be in any area of life, I would say try to look abroad, try to see overseas also. Don't just look within, just into your limited beliefs, into that limited place. This is what I would say, guys. Yes, you are coming across some offer. Universe divine is giving you some sort of offer. There will be a divine intervention, and this offer will be quite action oriented. This is what I see with this card. That's the thing, that you won't be just keeping on wondering, you will be taking some action on this. This is what I see with this card. Okay. Do not, you know uh, your emotions should be in control, guys. Please, do not, just because the offer is what that you were looking for, you were seeking for, do not over emotions. Your emotions shouldn't be over. This is what I see. Please have control over it. This is what I am getting from this card. The first message, another message, that thing that you were looking for, that you are seeking for, is about to come towards you. That's the thing. This is what I would say. But you need to organize, and then you have to act accordingly. I would say whatever the offer is, take slow baby steps. Do not just go and rush into it. This is what I would say. And also, if this is with respect to some new person or something, anything, do not open too much in front of them. Keep some things within yourself, because you never know what the opposite person has the intentions. I do see you can win in this particular situation, but be very careful, guys, that what sort of uh, what sort of path you're using. Please be very careful. You may win, but can you see these people behind you? They're not happy, they're very sad, but this particular person is enjoying. So please be mindful about it. Also, do not overstress yourself. Maybe you may get confused, you may not understand what to do, what not to do, so you will be very much stuck up in the thought. So please take care of yourself about it. Another thing, yes, this is the message you are getting. What you have to do in this particular situation, take few steps back, Do not get impulsive, do not get desperate. Contemplate, see what you wish to have, what are your likes, what will you have. Try to look at the bigger picture. Meditate, this is what I would say. Spend time within yourself alone. If possible, go somewhere and try to work on it. This is what I'm getting. You will come out of that situation if you're not understanding. Yes, see, you will come out, you will win, you will get the victory. There are people around you to support you. You can get even public recognition with this. But just you need to work on yourself. You need not do anything desperately or something. This is what I would say. Yes. Let's see what messages are we getting from this oracle deck. So here's the first message. A strong energy is propelling you forward. Follow the strings of your heart, guys. See, go according to what your heart is saying. Okay, don't be very much pleasy for people around you. Okay, ascension. Your soul is evolving to higher states of consciousness. You are ready for this. Yes, guys, somewhere this is your journey overall for your soul growth, for your spiritual growth. So, few things you have to go through. This is what I see. Okay, connect to the blue flame, which is the light of pure love within you. Yes, guys, as I said, your emotions should not be overwhelming or something. Please have control over it, balance it. This is what I would say. I hope the picture is clear now. Okay, I'm taking two more cards. Live your truth and share the love that is in your soul. Yes, guys, do not just keep towards yourself. Share it, show it, prove it. Connect to the pearls of Mother Earth. She will guide you through this time of change. Guys, I would really advise you to meditate. That will really help you to connect with the Mother Earth, and that too sitting on the floor, sitting on the grass, and obviously having a yoga mat if you're sitting on grass or something. This is what I would say. Or else you can do one thing, you can sit at your home but on the floor, or if you're sitting on the bed or the sofa, make sure that your legs are touching the ground, the floor. Okay, your feet, I mean, I would say. It will really help you to connect with the Mother Earth. So guys, this was the reading for pile 3. Thank you so much.